Hi, you're watching The Savera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. Amid escalating tensions between India and Pakistan, we are witnessing increase in movements of migrants returning to their native places. So, we are at present at Ludhiana railway station. We are witnessing a huge rush of migrant laborers who are returning back to their native places. So, the fear of a possible escalation and conflict has prompted many families, especially those from border states, to leave urban centers and head home. So large crowds is being witnessed at a different railway station. At present we are at Ludhiana railway station, where we are witnessing huge crowd of migrant laborers who are returning to their native places. So we will try to talk to these migrant workers. The reason that why they are returning to the native places is it is because of fear, or there are other reasons.
Hardik Bajaj.
You are returning to your native place because
I'm
of
returning to my native place because of the certain aggressions between the tensions that are happening in the borderline areas, and to be safe over there, since Punjab is very much close to the border area and we exactly know that the border areas are always under the attack. So being with the native place, being with the family is all what we need.
So where is your native place?
In Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh.
So at present where you were working?
Under NHI, MKC, I was in the Delhi Katra Expressway and the engineering services. But now, since the tensions are arrived, so I'm returning to my native place.
Although it is being said that the situation is total under control, that residents should not panic. So that why people are still moving to their native places?
I do agree that the situation is under control, but if you think the last option what a citizen have is to be with the family in this native times, just not to panic, but to have someone close to our hearts, and there is nothing else than family to us. So we are just returning to our native place. Thank you. My train is over here. Thank you very much.
So we are witnessing huge rush here at Ludhiana railway station. You can see how the migrant workers who are working in factories or other places in Punjab, they are returning to their native places amid escalating tensions between India and Pakistan. So although authorities are appealing residents that they should not panic, still there is a fear among residents, and they have choose to move back to their homes.
No, we believed in our armed forces. So there is no मतलब कोई है नहीं कि डर नहीं है. वैसे आर्म फोर्स पर पूरा यकीन है हमें. वैसे तो घर जा रहे हैं वैसे ही हम तो. हाँ, छुट्टी पर जब इंडिया गवर्नमेंट कहेगी कुछ हुआ है तो हम वैसे ही करेंगे. हम उनका इंफॉर्मेशन उसी पे विश्वास कर रहे हैं अभी.
I just want to say that there is that panic among residents, and the migrants, they are moving back to their places. So it is because due to the escalation of tensions.
नहीं, this is not because escalation, because government is declaring holidays, schools, colleges, so students are returning to their home. So there is no panic in the students. They are just following the government instructions. हाँ जी.
Your name?
My name is Soham.
And you are returning to?
I am returning to Bombay.
So you were working here in Ludhiana, or?
I was a student in City University. So before of 2 days, because of all the escalation and that happened, because of that we are trying to go home, because we don't know what the condition will be going to happen.
As district administration and other officials, they are continuously appealing that that people should not panic, and the situation is total under control. But we are still finding that people are there moving back to their native places.
Yeah, because of the safety purposes, and everyone feels safe at the home, and because they're mostly family people, they get panic, even though there is not such issue, but still because of that we think so.
So we are witnessing huge rush here at Ludhiana railway station, where people, they are returning back to their native places. They were workers who were working in factories and different establishments who are returning now to their homes. Even we have found some students who said that they are not returning because of fear. It is because the government has declared holidays in school and colleges, so they are returning now back to their homes. So although DC as well as senior government officials, they are continuously appealing people they should not panic, situation is totally under control, but still we are seeing the movement of migrants back to their native places.
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਆਈ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਕਈ ਲੇਬਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਫੈਕਟਰੀਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਛੋੜ ਕੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਘਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਹੈ, ਸਿਚੁਏਸ਼ਨ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਨਾਰਮਲ ਹੈ, ਕੋਈ ਪੈਨਿਕ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ। ਔਰ ਸਾਰੇ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀਲਿਸਟ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਹੈ, ਲੇਬਰ ਜਿੰਨੀ ਵੀ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਹੈ, ਔਰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਹੈ, ਸਿਟੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ ਲੁਧਿਆਣਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਕਿ ਸਿਚੁਏਸ਼ਨ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਕੋਈ ਪੈਨਿਕ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਕਿਤੇ ਵੀ ਜਾਣ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ। ਮੇਰੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਕੁਐਸਟ ਹੈ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ।
So you are watching The Savera. Stay tuned to us. Follow us both on Facebook and YouTube, and also download our mobile application. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.